Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a really cute golden retriever. So without any further ado, let's get on with this video. So here I just drew a U shape for the puppy's head. So now I just went and drew the eyes for the puppy. Now I just went ahead and drew the nose for the puppy. Now you just want to draw the puppy's mouth. After, I just went ahead and drew a curve on top of the puppy's head, and you want to leave a little distance between the two parts. So now we're going to draw the puppy's ears, so I decided to break this step up into two pieces since it might be a little bit harder. So I just completed the rest of the ear. Now you just want to draw two curves for the body on both sides, and I decided to break this step into two as well. Now I just added in the puppy's legs. Now I just completed the back part of the puppy's body. Here I just added the tail for the puppy. So here I just drew a collar for the puppy, and there are many different ways you can draw a collar. You can make it more fancier if you'd like, but I just decided to go with a simple one. So I forgot to add in the eyebrows for the puppy when I was drawing the face, so I just added them right now. Now I just used a thin black marker to trace out the puppy. You could leave it in pencil if you'd like. This is how the puppy looks after I traced it out with a thin black marker, and here is the completed puppy. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to try out and make this really cute puppy, and also don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.